One of the really useful features in the RingCentral application is the heads-up display. If you're using the app, you'll be under Phone and HUD for heads-up display. Now essentially, this is your speed dials. These are people that you call often. I've got Dr. King, Myra Jones, that I can quickly just hit a number. I'm calling them a lot. I don't have to search for them. How can I add one? I just add an extension, pull it up, start to put in someone's email address. Boom, I'm gonna add Steve Webb. I just hit add, and Steve is now at the top. Okay, well, I don't call Steve all the time, so I can just slide him down, put him in the spot that I want him, and just move it around. Now, the other thing that's happening in the background is if I have a physical phone, these are also my speed dials on the physical phone. So now, since I've added one in, it's going to reboot my phone and add this new one in, and it'll happen automatically for you. The whole process takes just a minute or two. Your phone will be back up and you'll have a new heads-up display and new speed dial on your app and on your physical phone.